for reading today, we are going to be doing something very special. Can anyone think of a story that has no characters? Yes. Great. So today, what we're going to be learning about is characteristics of characters. We think of people and characters in many different ways. So I heard that you're, in a book that you just read, there's a character called Judson Moon. So Judson Moon is silly, but he can also be serious, right? Yeah. So that's an example of different ways and different perspectives, it's called, you can look at it. So prior to today, I've heard that you guys talked about different story elements. The setting, the plot, solution, problem.
No, it's the problem, isn't it?
Oh, the problem. Oh, I see. Thank you. The problem and the solution, and then characters. And we're going to talk a little bit more in depth today about character. That is a brief summary of what this book was about. Now, that being said, we're going to talk about the main character, which who can tell me who the main character is? Yes.
Princess Paulina.
Princess Paulina was the main character. How do you know?
Because she was talked about most in the story.
Great, she was. She was talked about most in the story. So, what we're going to do is we're going to learn about Princess Paulina and her characteristics, the things about her that most tell about her through some of her actions, thoughts, the dialogue between her and other characters, and her appearance. I'm going to give you an example. I think that an action that says something about Princess Paulina is that she goes to sleep in the room when she's supposed to be making the feast. So what do you think that her going to sleep says about her?
I think it says that she's kind of giving up.
That's great. It's her voice. Each of you take a turn to share with the other person something that you think, whether it's a noun or an adjective. So it's either something that they are or something that they, an adjective being a descriptive word about them. And take just 1 minute to share with your partner what you think of them.
I say that you are silly sometimes because when there's sometimes at recess you're always dancing around and stuff like that. And I think you're smart and
What we're going to do is we're going to go back to our seats and we are going to work on this graphic organizer independently. We're going to fill this out, basically the same kind of thing we did up here, but this is for your reading group book and the main character of your reading group book. So you write your character name on the top, and then you find examples of actions, thoughts, dialogue, and appearance for your specific character.
She's a good leader. She's a leader. So why don't you write she's a leader? Or she tells you could write this, she tells people what to do. Like in a nice way. In a nice way. You can write that. She tells people what to do in a nice way. That's an action about Ruth. Go ahead and write it down. Yeah, an action, or you could say okay, who's the character? Jamie. So if Jamie called her mom, you could just write called her mom. Jamie called her mom for the action. But for her thoughts, maybe write an exact thought in dialogue, maybe an exact conversation that just goes.
Keep in mind that dialogue, you can write under dialogue, conversation, more than one person. It's between two people or more people. A thought is in your own head. Going to wrap things up. You're going to actually continue this tomorrow with Mrs. Petros. You're going to put it away in your folder, and we'll continue working with groups tomorrow to help share ideas and different ideas that you might have about your different books.